Well, it is really, really exciting to see how community is excited. We have seen uh, almost 5,000 people registered on Pi by now. And the most important thing is Pi protocol yield a passive platform or opportunity. Yes, 100%. Why? Because you buy a subscription on WOS and you get access, and this access is lifetime. This never expires, no limits in terms of profits, no expiration. And we collect, traders collect success fee on trades when you make profit. So, platform, traders, every element of this tool is sustainable. And that's how it is a 100% passive program. Uh, Most of the investment opportunities in the market, especially in affiliate marketing space, they come, they operate for a couple of months, and then they say you have to recruit, or when the network kind of saturates at a point, there the narration changes, and people say, hey, it's not passive. You have to recruit people to keep moving. This is a purely passive opportunity, which is going to give you returns daily, monthly, weekly, annually, howsoever you realize these profits. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? Any questions over why it is passive? Because I heard and people asked, uh, is it passive? Are we going to get these profits alongside in 1 year, 2 years? Of course, you are going to get if you have invested in a service uh, and they are trading on your behalf, you are going to receive profits. And even not profits, you can compound these profits every single day. No questions on this. All right, let's move forward. Second, and the most important thing is some people asked about the security of the funds, how funds are secure, and the whole infrastructure. So let's take an example by Binance. We can take example of any centralized exchange. So this is not in terms of our product. I'm talking as a general concept of a centralized exchange. There are two types of accounts in a centralized exchange. One is your individual account, and the other one is your corporate account. In individual account, you do your KYC, right? You do your know your customer. In corporate account, you do KYB. Clear till here? So in individual account, you have permission or you have rights to transfer, deposit, withdraw in your own account, right? And you trade also. While in corporate account, you can create sub accounts for yourself or to give it to somebody. Let's say Trashit says, I'm a good trader. David says, I'm a good trader. Rajiv ji says, I'm a good trader. I can create bunch of sub accounts and give one each to people, you know. I can give it to people and they can trade, right? Where is she? Okay. I'm telling you guys. This is what happens in a corporate KYB account on an exchange. Okay. These are the rights that you have. You can create sub accounts and they can use to be trade. So rights to deposit, withdraw, transfer are disabled in the sub accounts. These sub accounts can only trade. So if I have given this trading account, sub account to Trashit will get a user ID, password, and he can trade on this account. But he cannot withdraw, he cannot transfer, he cannot deposit more. Okay, this is how the corporate accounts they function. Okay, everybody clear till here? I'm trying to explain how tech works from background. Okay. Now that we understand and all the rights, deposit, withdrawal, transfer, these rights are with main account, with the master account, which has authorized these sub accounts. Okay. And this main account can allocate funds. Let's say 100K here, 10K here, 20K here, 50K here. It can allocate. Perfect. We understand till here? Okay. Now I'm going to go on Google and ask what is Binance sub account. So it will give me institutional account holders on Binance can use sub accounts to trade with multiple accounts that are linked back to primary institutional account. This allows institutional users to separate responsibilities and manage their trades more efficiently and securely. How to use what is sub account used for? To compartmentalize larger accounts, thereby allowing for better tracking of various budget details and expenses. For ease of record keeping, company might set up sub accounts for each department. Can I withdraw from my Binance sub account? The sub account users don't have permission to withdraw funds. Okay, clear? All right. So traders cannot withdraw your money. Never. Okay. All right. Now let's move on. Now that we have a broker program, now explaining about Pi. Okay. We have a broker program. You create, you are user, you create account with us, and between you deposit funds in your account, right? And these funds are deposited in a wallet which is provided by Binance. There is a firewall between deposits and withdrawals, and your wallet is generated by Binance. So when you deposit funds in your account which you have created in Pi, the funds directly go in exchange. So when you will check your transaction hash, on every deposit, the funds will go into Binance directly. Okay, you can see the hash. When you will deposit, you will see. I will show when I will deposit. You can see when you deposit. All right, perfect. So this is how the wallets they function. There is no third party, no nothing involved in between. And as I have shown you on Binance articles, you can read, you can Google it, that nobody can withdraw from the sub accounts. Perfect. So now funds never leave Binance, and funds are, so as a user, you have, since there is a firewall, so you and you as a user have deposit withdrawal rights only. Trader cannot deposit, cannot withdraw, cannot transfer. Simple. Funds are safe. This is how they are safe. And we can read about it everywhere. Okay. Now, third and the most important thing, high watermark. If we go on Google, we write high watermark. A high watermark is the highest peak in the value that an investment fund or account has reached. This term is often used in context of fund manager compensation, which is performance based. The high watermark ensures the manager does not get paid large sums for poor performance. Everyone clear about what is high watermark? Okay. Now let's ask AI. And then I can develop understanding to you as to how it works with us. What is high watermark in trading? So if we ask, my friend here, what is high watermark? So how it works? If the fund value drops, the manager cannot collect performance fee until the fund value surpasses the previous high watermark. Very simple. Incentives managers to focus. This incentivizes managers to focus on generating consistent long-term growth. Till here, we developed understanding of what is high watermark. Okay, let's ask AI to give me one example. One example. Okay, so let's understand by this example. With us, here it has given year by year example. With us, it is every day story with us, because profits are settled every day with us. So let's understand this example. Let's say a hedge fund starts with initial investment of 1 million. The funds perform exceptionally well, grows to 1.5 million. The new high water mark is now 1.5 million. The manager earns a performance fee based on profit, which is $500,000. Now the next year comes. The year 2 market takes a downturn. The fund's value drops to 1.2 million. But the high water mark remains 1.5 million because it was previously achieved. The manager does not earn a performance fee because the fund has not exceeded the previous watermark. Manager will earn only when the profit will be more than 1.5 million. Clear? Now we will go to the year 3rd. The fund grows to 1.8 million. Previous high water mark was 1.5 million. The manager does earn a performance fee, but only on the profit above high water mark. You understand? Previous high water mark was 1.5 million. Now is the high water mark of 1.8 million. So that is the profit of $300,000, and that the trader or the manager is going to make the his fee or success fee, or you can say charges, on $300,000 only. The new high water mark is 1.8 million. Now, if this high water mark will be achieved, then it's going to be the profit for the trader or manager. So this is a really big protection for investors, because from paying a fee for poor performance and paying fee repeatedly every time, the fund earns a profit. Let's go and do some search on Google. Why high watermark in handling in trading is made for investors. Okay. See, it reads, the high water mark is often used as a demarcation point for determining performance fees that investor must pay. The purpose is to protect investors from paying a fee for poor performance and from paying a fee repeatedly every time the fund earns the profit. Now, let me show you guys what trading houses, or you can say forex companies in the market, what they do, how they charge people, you know. Let's say you put $1,000, $10,000 with them, and this is with us every day. And next day the profit is, let's say, $100. So it is 10,100. This is the high water mark. Next day the profit gets reduced. It is $10,080. No high water mark is achieved. Next day, because trader will not get paid here. He gets paid here, but he will not get paid here. And then trader has to accelerate and reach more than 10,100 to get the split in the profit on the performance. So let's say trader gets now $10,200. This is the new high water mark, and from previous high water mark, $100 is the difference. So trader is going to get paid on the difference of the profit, his performance fee. If it is 50%, then 50%. If you have a bigger subscription, then it is 25%, which is 25% to the trader, 75% to you. So this is how high watermark works. Clear? So our this whole pie works on high watermark performance. It is more secure for the investors, better performance. That's why you see better and better performance, right? Okay. And then you are also protected in terms of paying the success fee over and over. Like here, if you make a withdrawal of $10,080, you don't pay nothing. You withdraw everything to your wallet outside. You can withdraw without paying any success fee, since you have the trader have not achieved high water mark for you, and he has paid before in the high water mark, and this point he has not achieved, so you can withdraw the whole in your wallet outside. So this is how it works. It protects the investors. Perfect. All right, since everybody understands, we are going to now move forward to PSDS. Okay, profit. Okay. Writing after a long time on my whiteboard. Profit sharing and daily settlement. Okay. PSDS is daily profit sharing and settlement that happens on Pi from 8 a.m. UTC to 10 a.m. UTC every day. Why it is important? This is the end of business, closing, everything is going on here. But most importantly, what happens between 8 to 10, Pi scores is updated. Right now, you see 5 HFTs, but I told you we are monitoring 686 plus HFTs and we are scoring them to bring them on board for you if they perform good consistently and we are monitoring their data. So Pi score is calculated for more than 686 services every single day and it monitors 1.1 million transactions in real time. Okay. So during PSDS, during daily settlement, Pi score is also updated. The AUM, the charts, the profit and loss, the withdrawals, everything takes place during PSDS. So new Pi score is updated since we get new stats for every service. And in this time, most important thing also happens when you, let's say you place a withdrawal right now at 9, no, why it's right now 11:40 in Dubai time. You place a withdrawal now and then at the PSDS, your withdrawal will be sent to your wallet because trading settlement is done between these 2 hours every day. Every day, what profits have been made, what losses have been made, everything is settled. And the new business day starts. So, this time, deposits, withdrawals, profit settlement, everything, and new strategy investment also takes place during this period. If you have deposited money, let's say right now, your service activation will be at the next PSDS. If you have made a withdrawal, your withdrawal will be in your wallet at the next PSDS. If you have some profits, you see now, you will realize the profit at the next PSDS. If you have invested in a service, reinvested, then it will reflect in your next PSDS. Okay. So this is how PSDS takes place every single day at 8 a.m. UTC. It's generally 1.5 hour process, but I'm explaining it to you 8 to 10. All the changes they reflect, and this is automated process. Everything is automated. So this happens every single day. So okay, what else is left? Okay, yes. So you have now I will explain the profit sharing and daily settlement. Okay, so you have options. What options do you have? Daily withdrawal. You can withdraw every day profit plus the principal, capital. Everything you can withdraw. You can withdraw daily profit only. Okay. Or you can withdraw partial profit, and partial you can reinvest. That will compound. These are the options which are inbuilt already in the app. From day one, you are going to receive. Okay? I think these three conditions only come. Daily profit, only you can withdraw. Daily withdrawal, profit plus capital, partial withdrawal. Okay. Yes, Tracy?
Can you withdraw partial capital as well?
Yes, Tracy. Okay. One more
Thank
case.
you. Thank you.
Okay. Perfect. So you have put, let's say, $1,000, made $1,500. Today you want to decide that you want to withdraw $750 out of it. You can withdraw 750. 750 remains and the profits are generated on 750. New high watermark is achieved on percentage of 750 and you are paid and the trader is paid. Perfect. So this is how these options are. Now, I will take questions also. Don't worry. Before I jump on to the subscriptions, how subscriptions work, everything I'm going to explain today. So this is how profit sharing happens. Now let me share my computer screen and show you guys few things. Then I will go and start taking questions from you guys and then I will explain subscriptions. Okay. So let's see if I have logged in. Yes. So we can see now today's settlement was done. How many people checked the PNL today? Okay, good, very good. So you all see the market is quite, on an average, the market is crashed like more than 5%, but here we see losses. But when we see daily PNL percentage, we see negative of 1.18%, which is going to be, of course, covered because it is subject to high water mark, and the trader is motivated to make you profit to make money for himself. So everyone should go. And if you are wondering why there was no settlement yesterday, Binance was on maintenance. So 2 days of settlement is this at once. That's why we were also on maintenance when we published the message that we are on maintenance. So 2 days settlement is done in this, and from tomorrow onwards on PSDS between 8 to 9, 8 to 10 UTC, you will see another settlement here. So this is how it works. Okay. Now when I will explain subscriptions, I'm going to show you how to deposit funds. You know, you can deposit crypto directly. It's you know protected by a firewall, which is Fireblocks of Binance, and funds are protected by Binance Seifu. Everything is here. You can start depositing once we activate the subscription, and you can start investing in strategies. Well, we have added some additional features also this time in our tool. You can deposit USDT or you can purchase USDT as well. Many countries in the world have USDT buying facility. With your fiat money, you can buy. So if we buy with US dollar, you can buy. If we buy with euro, 1,000 euro, we can buy. Even Vietnamese currencies, dong is accepted. Uh, Many currencies are, uh, if their country is not allowing, then it's not working. But most of the countries are working. I'll check for Tracy if in Canada is available. Yes, it's available in Canadian dollars as well. So you guys can check. I checked. I bought some, tested some with dirham, and it worked really smooth. So you can now buy also USDT with us and invest directly here. So this is the basic explanation.
Today we went into our Zoom call on Spanish, and we actually did what you say, take the pictures as the AI, give an analysis. We get everything, we the Sortino ratio, the share ratio, how this work, how, the futures, the spot, everything. My question is most people question in my team.
That's why I
Uh,
see a lot of signups under you. Uh,
yeah, well, one of the thing is they want to know because you show Binance broker. We are, I don't know, if it's protocol yield or Matina Limited. Who is the broker under Binance, and how people can verify that is anyway, because I just let you know, if we go to regular support on
uh-huh,
this in Bybit or Binance, they
uh-huh.
say whatever. They just regular people. They don't know what Binance doing the corporate side.
Yes, yes, I
Is
know.
a is a is and that's make that happened to me in the past with other things too. The company say we are registered, and then we send a message to support. They say no,
That's
we don't know this person.
That's why we registered. We give in Merida for Liquid Pay card also. We have written our company information, everything is compliant. We have even given our license number in the back of the in the down bottom of the website. Well,
But
Binance
this is sorry, Chavez. This license that is in the back is what is the business license on Hong Kong, or is the broker license on
no, no, no.
Binance?
There is no broker license number of Binance. It's a program. Okay.
Okay,
Can also read about this. There is, it is not like, a broker, you
it's not
get.
a link. It's not a link
Yeah.
program. They call it.
No, no, it's a contract. It's a proper contract, and they pass their APIs. We receive
Mhm.
data from it. It's not like we pay something to Binance as a brokerage. It's called brokerage program, but it is a process of onboarding only, and anyone can onboard. You can also create a company if you are compliant. You can also onboard, but it is a difficult process, but you can also onboard. It's a 60-day process, and then you can also onboard yourself.
Very slowly, step by step, so that we understand the logistics, we understand the reasoning for each step. For me, this has been an educational process over the last several calls to not only understand what you're building, but also understanding the market in general. So I just want to tell you how much I appreciate that. It definitely makes it easier moving forward. And after everything we've all gone through, it's important that this education be given. I know even within my team that it's frustrating to not get to the finish line. It's frustrating to not have the green light, if you will. But I want to tell you that we really appreciate this education as well. So thank you.
My questions are about the funds.
Mhm.
You mentioned that the funds can be withdrawn by the trader. How
No,
does the trader then?
no, 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 no. I said no, they cannot be. This is
Okay, so then how does the trader trade with our funds?
because they have access to the sub account. They can only trade with that account. They cannot withdraw, deposit, transfer.
Okay, they can trade with it, but they can't move the money out.
No.
Okay, and then this is in addition to this. And then you said that we have access to our funds. What stops the master account from blocking our access to the
No,
sub
there is
account?
okay. So that's why I said in normal corporate accounts of exchanges, the master account controls everything. But in the broker program, where wallets are generated with the help of Fireblocks, then what happens? User have the authority to withdraw and to deposit. Only you as a KYC user can withdraw or deposit.
When we are going to get our money, we got to make a withdrawal, right? So in the old program, everything gets sent to us directly, but in this one, we need to request a withdrawal, correct?
No, it will be direct. When you set your withdrawal every day, it will
Hmm.
come every day.
Okay, so that is set up automatically for
Yes,
it to
yes,
come every day.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
got you. Okay, all right. Thanks, Travis.
When you explained how much you could withdraw, can you withdraw the
Full.
investment capital you put in?
Yes, yes. Every single day you can withdraw.
You
Everything.
can, but you can withdraw you can close your account,
Yes,
take
you
it
can
off.
close
Oh,
your
okay,
account.
perfect, perfect. Okay, great. Those are my two questions. Thank you very much.
We are in the US, especially in New York, and USDT is very, very, very hard to
Uh-huh,
work with in New York. Is there
uh-huh.
any plan to bring other coins in the mix? Like USDC, for example, Polygon, USDC, Polygon would be great.
Uh, See, currently we are working on Binance's ecosystem. Uh, there is right now it is like this, but in future, yes, we can. Let us start. Then in future we can integrate definitely. And this is
Okay.
basic rule of partnership that we are following.
You said we have to use the same email address that we have on VAS account,
Mhm,
and we have teach our team members
mhm,
to use Proton Mail, and
mhm.
Proton Mail have
Yes,
proton.me.
yes, proton.me. I
Yeah,
got it. David gave
yeah.
me
I
this.
send it to David.
Yes, yes,
And
I know. He reported
yeah,
it. We are checking what is the exception in Proton domain, and let me get back to the team.
yeah.
Once it is, or you guys can use any email, Gmail or any other one, and then from WAS you can send the coupon. So now is the simple method. You can transfer the ownership of coupon to other email and simply use it. No problem.
How much percentage of our account do the traders trade on? Can they do like 100% on our accounts?
100%. Everything.
Wow. So if you've got 1,000 and they make 5%, you made 100 on that amount. Yeah. Wow.
Definitely, definitely.
Yeah. Wow. Exciting. Brilliant. Looking forward. Thanks so much.
I need some explanations about profit sharing services. First thing, why you put 1.8 K in Swift Holdings and not in BTC Alpha? Because I think Swift Holdings have low PG
No,
than BTC
no,
Alpha.
no, no, no.
Second thing, why now BTC Alpha is in average risk? It was in a low risk.
Yeah.
And the third thing, what means near the USDT Bybit in BTC Alpha or in Swift Holdings Binance? What that means? That is important for us or what?
Perfect. It is important to you. Good questions. Nobody asked that. Okay, let me clarify to everyone. Perfect. So these
Thank
traders
you.
that you see, they trade on Bybit and they trade on futures. BTC Alpha, this trades on Bybit and on futures. This trader, Blackwood Capital, trades on Bybit on futures. Algo Rider trades on Binance and futures. Swift Holding trades on Binance and futures. They have their own trading strategy, but this is the basic one, and they trade with USDT. Just like somebody asked, they accept what? They accept USDT and they trade in Binance and futures uh, of Bybit and Binance. So this is their classification. Second thing, why I did put different amounts in different services. This was their minimum to activate. I have put money in 686 services, Christian, and I activated all of them to score them, right? It was a lot of money that I put to activate all of them. So we are scoring them rigorously. Now, if they qualify our criteria of pi score and they score more than, let's say, 50 pi score, then we activate them and bring them on board slowly to you guys. So there will be bunch of more services coming in future, but these were the best performers so far in last 500 days, 400 days of their performance, which was recorded on Binance and Bybit. Okay, he has one more. Okay, he has good questions. Let's unmute him.
And how then we to
Okay.
choose the only one, because the people from lower countries can put the more money in the different places, to put the bigger money on the one place. How to make that?
Exactly. So that's why there is Pi score. This is going to help you guys. So on Dodo, you can't decide which index to buy, right? But here you can decide which service to get. So coming back to your question, which I missed to answer, why BTC Alpha risk score went to average, because today in the last 2 days, if we see, they made a loss of 1.18%. If they reach to their high water mark next, they will become low risk. And since there are no investors, so the pi score is very critical right now. It is just on $1,100. That's why it's jumping, you know. So once more investors will be on board, it will be more accurate. And once we see more green consistency of hitting their high water mark, it will certainly come to very low risk also. I have seen, because I've been monitoring these services from last couple of months. So I have seen them in very low risk as well. This is the market condition on which you get real data, and there will be some services which will be very high risk as well. It will be just like gambling. So people can be can decide where to invest by looking at the pi scores. As simple as that. What is the risk? What is the profits? If this is suitable for me, I'm good. How many investors? How many days they are trading with? It's very easy to understand. And their cumulative pi score is here, 56. Once investors come on board, wait for one more week. You will see different pi score. You will see their enhanced data, and it will be very easy. Better data, better stats. And this is the biggest job that we did. We built pi score. Otherwise, many companies can acquire Binance Broker program, but they cannot become pi. They offer their services, they take broker program, but we built a scoring board. Now let's discuss about subscriptions, how they are going to work, what are the benefits, and everything one by one very clearly. Okay, no need to note this down. It is going to come on your WAS dashboard anyway in about a day or two. Okay, these are the Pi subscriptions. Starts from free trading pass, that is for 30 days with success fee of 50%. You get 50%, trader gets 50%. You can invest up to $100 from $10 with a free trading pass. This is 30 days. From the day of starting, 30 days will count. You can withdraw anytime. You can but you cannot deposit more than 100 with a free trading pass. Okay. Next is first license, that is of $500 AUM. You can deposit up to till to $2,500. Success fee is 50. You get 50, trader gets 50. This package will never expire, lifetime. There is no profit ceiling. Let's say you put 2,500, you compound. In 1 year, you make $5,000, $6,000, or it's yours, all your money. You withdraw, you keep it. So AUM is subject to what you deposit, and as much as profit you want to make, you can make for the rest of your life. No problem with that. These packages will never expire. But when you make money, you want to deposit more, and when you want to multiply and you want to invest more, so you will buy a bigger one for $1,000. Here you get to deposit up to $5,000, ranging from $10 to 5,000. Your success fee becomes less. That means you pay trader 45% and you get 55%. I'm going to write you get 55% here next to it, because when I showed in Indian prime time, people said, right, right, that we are going to get uh, how much? Yeah, 55%. So next is $5,000. You get AUM of up to $25,000. Success fee is 40% in this subscription, and again it's lifetime. With $10,000 AUM, you can exceed up to $50,000. Success fee becomes 35%. That 65 you take and 35 you pay to the trader, and it's lifetime again. With $25,000, you can invest up to $150,000 for the rest of your lives, and success fee is 30%. With $50,000, you can invest in services up to $500,000, and your success fee becomes 25%, and it's also lifetime. And if you want to invest, if someone wants to invest more than $500,000, then we can offer them enterprise packages. Then they can contact their upline, organize a call with me. We can offer enterprise solution as well. Okay, clear? Okay. Now let me get on to the next and the best thing which I wanted to introduce from a long time. But since Pi was required to be ready, so we are ready to introduce our new and one of the best recruitment tools for you all. This is going to give you guys more power. We named it Financial Freedom Pack after Financial Freedom Team in the honor of achievement of Bitcoin Club. This package completes the whole WOS ecosystem in one buying. It gives you a liquid choice card, a Dodo starter package, one shared node worth $300, and this is exclusive only in the Financial Freedom Team pack. Next, you get two Xeon 1x miners, you get a Capital 3.0 subscription, and you get a Pi subscription also. This pack, when new users buy, when old users buy, or when someone buys on a new account, this account qualifies for everything at once. Both binaries you qualify in the CFI and the DeFi. And once you qualify all the binary, all the qualifications, from the first user onwards, you start receiving incomes. And then when someone buys a Financial Freedom pack, they receive $100 cash back after 24 hours as their income. This is the maximum income that you can generate when you creatively put together a $1,200 structure, maybe with 50, 100, 500 here and there. I have done it simpler for you. Since we are out in the market with affiliate marketing 3.0 narrative, I'm making affiliate marketing also easy for you guys, so that no need to explain the structures, no need to explain a lot of things, because you guys already have a lot to explain on your plate. We have products. Affiliate marketing companies, typically they don't have products. All they have is affiliate model, which takes for them, months and months, weeks and weeks to explain, and they keep on repeating the same thing. That's why affiliate models are made complicated. I'm making it easier. This Financial Freedom Pack, you can buy. The potential earning that you are going to receive with this is $1,800 in the DeFi side and $3,000 in the CFI side. $4,800 of potential earning on $1,200 when someone buys a Financial Freedom Pack, they can make $4,800 in the affiliate side. This pack you can buy with $240 worth of USDT BTC20 and $960 worth of USDT TRC20 or USDC. So the people who have USDT BTC20, 2 Financial Freedom Team packs, done. If you have 500 with you, you buy one for yourself. If you were not a part of all this, you did not buy Liquid Pay card, you buy one, you sell one, done. You get access to all the products. If you have access to all the products, sell 2 packs, done. All right. So this is how the affiliate side is going to be accelerated, and it is going to be, it is going to run on supersonic speed from here, because we have streamlined everything. Now we have everything in place. Everything. All the products are working. We have, okay, one more update on Liquid Pay. We have an update on iOS. Now you can update your Liquid Pay app on iOS, on Apple, and self-custodian wallets are active on iOS. We are waiting for the updates to go on the Android. Once it is done on Android, you can update the Android app, and then you can activate your self-custodian wallets. Make sure you pay attention while activating self-custodian wallets. Don't forget your password which you have set the passkey, and save your wallet key or wallet credentials phrase. It's very important. No one can recover your wallet. It's your custodian wallet. It's not in our control anymore. So make sure you keep it safe, please. Just like you have not lost your assets which are sitting in your wallet. Okay? All right. So this is done. One more very important announcement. If you have accessed Pi on your phone, then go ahead and clear your cache and clear your cookies. Once you do that, and even on your computer, once you do that, you are going to get an option to download the app, Progressive Web App, on your computers, on your cell phones, Android, Apple, everywhere. Progressive Web App is live. You can access Pi with the app also. So iOS users, go on Safari, open app.pi.xyz and click on the share button. Once you click on the share button, click on add to home screen. And once you click on add to home screen, you will be able to add it. Okay, let me show you guys how to add this. Android, once you open on Chrome, you will get option to download and install. So it is very quick. On iOS, so if you open on Safari, the app.py.xyz, you click on the middle button, that is share, and click on add to home screen. You will get the option to add the app on the home screen, and you will have the PWA.
Thank you, Shubhais. That was a great call, and we really appreciate all the hard work and all the dedication that you have been, showering upon us. Thank you so much